Are you starting from zero and trying to turn your long, unedited videos into shareable, attention-grabbing short clips without spending hours on complex editing software? I have got you covered, and in this video, I will walk you through 2 practical ways to do this quickly and for free. The first method is a quick DIY approach using free online AI tools to generate short, stylized, and high-impact clips from scratch. The second method is a much smoother, more scalable approach using a dedicated tool to automatically pull viral moments, polish them, and schedule them for you. No fancy hardware or massive downloads are required, as everything is mostly online and totally doable in just a few minutes of work. Let us kick things off with the quick and dirty method, which is perfect when you want a single, eye-catching piece of visual content for your audience. You can start with any image you already have, like a phone photo, a screenshot from a video, or even an image you generated with AI. I like to keep it simple, so imagine a single object in focus, like a steaming mug of coffee on a cozy table. If you are using an AI image generator, be specific in your prompt so you get a realistic result instead of something strange or painterly. Once you have your image, feed it into an online video animator tool, which will transform your still into a moving clip. Keep in mind that these tools sometimes hallucinate weird details, like plants sprouting from objects, so don't panic if your first render looks a bit odd. Just hit retry and tweak your prompt slightly, because the next generation will often be much cleaner and closer to what you wanted. You can even add specific instructions like asking for a static camera to reduce any unwanted motion or jitter in the final video. Once you have a clip you like, check if the site offers an upscale or enhance function to squeeze out better quality without spending cash. Download the result and merge it with your original footage in a free editor if you want a professional hybrid look. That extra polish from matching the color grade and timing makes the whole edit look high-end even though you used free tools. That fast method is great for one-off clips, but if you have longer content like podcasts or lectures, the manual route gets old fast. You definitely do not want to scrub through hours of footage just to hunt for those 30 to 90-second gems. This is where Vizard becomes your best friend and the real time saver in your content creation process. Here's the workflow I use. Upload your full video, and the AI scans the file to automatically pull out moments with high potential. The AI finds standout lines, peaks in energy, and memorable stories that are likely to perform well on your social media platforms. You do not have to accept everything the AI suggests, because you have an editor view to preview, rename, and trim frames to your liking. The interface is built for speed, letting you crop for vertical formats, add your logo, and generate captions all in one place. The best part is that you can generate dozens of clips from a single long-form video without manually combing through every single second. That is a huge multiplier for your output if you want to stay consistent without hiring a professional video editor. Another feature I love is the auto schedule, which lets you queue and publish your clips across all your linked social accounts automatically. You can see what is queued, rearrange your posts, and make last-minute edits without having to juggle a dozen different apps. For creators who are trying to manage a YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram simultaneously, this centralized workflow is an absolute lifesaver. Now, Vizard is not the answer for every single task, and there are times you will still use specialized AI tools for specific visual effects. The right approach is to combine them. Create a flashy effect with an animator, and then use Vizard to spot the perfect moment to place that effect. It is all about making your long-form content work harder for you by repurposing it into high-performing short clips. Let me give you a concrete example. If you want a freeze frame effect, you can export a still from your video, animate it separately, and swap it back in. Vizard then helps you find the lead up to that moment so you can bundle the effect into a ready-to-post clip that actually makes sense. Remember to be precise in your prompts, use captions to keep viewers engaged, and do not overcommit to just one single tool for everything. The platform learns what clips work best, so keep an eye on performance and you will quickly develop a sense for what content goes viral. Compared to other solutions, Vizard stands out because it bundles discovery, polish, and distribution into one single streamlined workflow. Whether you want a quick, cinematic one-off clip or a whole backlog of social posts, these 2 approaches will get you there efficiently. Use AI animators for those shiny, one-time effects, and use Vizard for your consistent, scalable social media growth strategy. If you want, drop a comment below with the kind of videos you make so I can show you specific settings and examples next time. I love seeing your ideas and trying them out, so thanks for sticking around, and I will see you in the next video.